Library, name ranges and display ads are useful when creating components as a shorthand to naming pin sequences. This is particularly useful as shown in this first example, where multiple pins are assigned to shield and the pads are numbered sequentially. These can now be defined as 6 to 11. When the component is added to a schematic, if the pin numbers are displayed, the results are condensed and a much neater view. This second example shows multiple pins that are defined as not to be used. Name ranges will not assist in this example, but you can apply a name prefix to reduce the visibility on the schematic as illustrated. This can be applied to many components that, for example, have many common ground, power or output pins. Note that the prefix does not assign the pins to a net, it is purely a string to represent the pin numbers. As this second example component has pins that show do not use and reserved not to be used, users of the Engineer subscription benefit from additional features. In the Pin Assignment tab, there is an additional column named No Connect. When the entry is toggled to yes, these pins will report warnings if you attempt to connect to them, as detailed in Help. These pins can also be checked in the Design Rules check, providing additional design confidence.